Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to list an item on Facebook Marketplace. So on the left side you have browse all, notifications, buying, selling and create new listing. So we're going to click on create new listing, and here you have choose your listing type. So you can have an item for sale, create a single listing, or if you have items in stock you can go here. You can sell your vehicle here, and you can also home for sale or rent if you want to sell your home or rent it out. Let's for now choose item for sale. And here you can see your advertisement preview. So let's add a photo of our product. I got a simple photo from Google from a camera. So let's say this is a Canon X456R or something. So it will show up right here, our title. You can do the price like $235 for example. And you can also place it in a category. So you have home and garden, entertainment, family, electronics, hobbies, and some other ones. Let's for now choose electronics and computers because that's about it. It is electronics. So here you have condition. It's new, used like new, used good or used fair. So let's choose used like new. Brand, it's a Canon. So you can type it in here. If you click on more details, you have it right here. And your description, like I used it once, but I did not like it. So this is also similar to our condition. We have used but like new, so we used it once, but it's like new. Here you can choose your availability. So list as a single item or list as in stock. So if you're a shop or e-commerce store, you can also have items in stock or multiple items, and then you choose this option. For now we leave it on list as single item. You can add product tags like Canon, camera. You can use up to 20 tags if you want, your location where to sell it, and you can also hide from your friends your listing. So if you have an item you don't want your friends to see, you can just vote this one on and it will hide it from your friends. For now I leave it off. And you can also show listing to anyone using Marketplace anonymously, so you have a broader audience, but for now I leave it off also. So let's click on next, and this is how it's going to look like. You can also join groups and sell it in there if you want. I'll skip it for now. Let's publish it. And if it's published, we go also over the dashboard of the selling and listings. So let's see. So here it is, my listing. It's for $235, what we set. It's listed on the marketplace and has 0 clicks on the listing. This of course logic because we just placed it online. So here we can choose mark on as sold. So sold on Facebook, sold elsewhere, haven't sold. I would rather not answer. You can share it here also. You can view your listing, delete and view messages. For now I delete it because this is an image from Google. Here you have the seller dashboard. You can easily go over it. You can have a seller rating in the end if you do more listings. Here you can easily see what you have to do with your listings and how to adjust them. Here you have your active listings, but I just deleted it. Your announcements, if you have like a message on your listing, you can find it up here. And here are your insights about your marketplace insights. For now I have everything 0 because I didn't have a listing. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.